In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Classroom Post Scheduler version 3.0. When you make a copy of the scheduler, you will see and be presented with this screen here. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to decide what type of announcement do you want to make. Is it going to be an announcement? Is it going to be a material? Or is it going to be an assignment? And if you click on them, you've got the three different options there. An announcement obviously will just go into your stream, and a material and assignment will be posted on the classwork page. The difference being that a material just contains information or links, whereas an assignment can be handed in. So you choose whichever one you want. I'm just going to choose material for this example. Now over here in the announcement description section, this is where you will decide whether or not what you want to write in the announcement or description. Okay, so if you're doing an announcement, it's just what the text is. If you're doing a material or an assignment, then this will be what goes in the description box. The title here, this is completely ignored for announcements because they don't have a title, but assignments and materials must have a title. Otherwise, you can't post them. Okay, so this is, again, you can leave it blank. It doesn't matter if you're doing an announcement, but if you are doing an assignment or material, you must complete this one. You can also provide an optional link now. So again, if I wanted to, for example, if I wanted to link to Google, I can just do that. And now when my link posts, it will post that link as a resource on the material or assignment or announcement. Then you can select the scheduled time of what time you would like the post to go at. For example, 9 o'clock or 8 o'clock or any time you want. Okay, so you can choose any time that you want the post to go. Now for the classrooms, okay, in order to select your classrooms correctly, what you have to do is come up here to the scheduler and go to the classroom picker. Now, the first time you do this, you'll see that you need to give the script permission to run, so you can just go ahead and do that. You just need to select and allow all of the permissions there for the script to run. And then if we go back again to the classroom picker, you can see on the side now, I've got a list of all of my classrooms. I'm just going to choose my example class. You can here select multiple classes. If you do select multiple classes, it will post to all those classes, but I'm just going to select one. And then here in the students, if you do want to, I'm just going to close this menu here. If you do want to just send to certain students, then you can go to the scheduler and choose the student picker. This only works if you're only doing one classroom. So if you're posting to more than one classroom, you can't select individual students. You have to do all students. But if you did want to do that, then you would just have to copy your announcement down to a new row and have each class on one row. So you can see here now, when I go to the student picker, I can see all of the students in my class. I can select which student I wanted to post and just press select, and then we'll add it in, add the name of the students in there. Okay, so if you want to post to all students, you can just leave that completely blank. Okay, and then it will automatically post to all students in that class. Here, you need to choose which days of the week you would like to post your material or whatever it is. You need to select that here. And then finally, you can see here whether or not your post is correct. You can see here, yes, it is valid, but it is inactive. So right across here, right at the start, there's a little box that I can tick to turn that on. Okay, so now that that is valid and that is active, what I need to do is I need to start the scheduler. So I'm going to come up here to scheduler, and I'm just going to press start scheduler. What this will do is it will give me a message that it will say, I've now set it up, and it will run between 1 and 2 a.m. each day and schedule the day's announcements. So what that means is overnight, you'll wake up in the morning and all of your posts will be scheduled for the correct time. If you needed to alter them or change them in any way, you've got until the post time, until the scheduled time there to make any changes before they go live. So if, for example, you needed to delete a post and you forgot to do it the night before, you still have that time right up until the scheduled time to change that. If you needed to get rid of an announcement because you don't need it anymore, you can either delete the entire row or you can just turn it off, and that will temporarily turn it off maybe for holidays or something like that. Alternatively, if you need to turn off the whole scheduler so that it's not running at all, you can just come up here to scheduler and then stop. This will only appear if you've previously started it. So once I stop it now, you can see there that it is now stopped, and I can run it again if I want to restart. Currently, this is set up to allow for 10 different scheduled posts, but you can add an extra row in at the bottom if you wanted to have more posts scheduled. There are no limits on how many posts that you can schedule for each morning. So hopefully this tutorial will help you get started, and good luck.